Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. The Bank of Jamaica says the economic downside risks are still high despite some favorable signs. BOJ Governor Richard Biles says despite slowing inflation, declining international commodity prices and relative stability in the exchange rate, the 50 basis points increase in the interest rates was warranted. The rate now stands at 6%. However, with projections seeing inflation trending downwards, the Monetary Policy Committee is inclined to consider pausing interest rate increases. Now, since October last year, the BOJ has increased the policy interest rate by 550 basis points. A number of banks and financial institutions, in response to that change, have increased their own interest rates charged to customers. Sagicor Group Jamaica says the development of its new Brunswick Village commercial and residential complex on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine is nearing completion. The company says it plans to begin handing over keys to the commercial units later this year. The residential units should be handed over by April 2023. The new Brunswick Village will feature 89 residential units and more than 40 commercial units. Sagicor Bank, pharmaceutical company R.A. Williams Distributors and fast food chain Island Grill will be tenants at the location. Sagicor says negotiations are ongoing for other tenants. The multi-billion-dollar project is being undertaken as a joint venture with Bailey Williams Limited and will be managed by Sagicor Property Services. Now to the markets today. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.78. $119.97 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $179.51 for the pound, while it's costing an average $152.91 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 3,212 points today, while the junior market index lost 32 points. Leading the advances were Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, General Accident Insurance Jamaica, KLE Group, Everything Fresh and Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, while among the decliners were Siboney Group, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Honeybun and Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares. And that's it for the financial week. Please stay with us. International stories are right after the break.